So I'm just out here minding my own black-owned business today in Charlotte and came across this beautiful soul. I got some jerk wings and I got some lamb chops and I got some French toast, and this is how it's done. Oh my God, we're posted up. We got drinks. We got food. Shout out your business. Shout out your business.
Restaurant South Mint Street.
Hey! South Mint, Charlotte, North Carolina. You don't want to miss this, y'all. The eggs. Come on now. Go see this brother. Oh, y'all, when I tell you, Charlotte is so freaking dope. Oh my gosh! This is exciting, and we got a line waiting to get in. Meanwhile, you can get your drinks over here at the outside bar, the inside bar. Membership is required, but once you're a member, honey, yes, it's free after that. And the perks go up from there. My man, doing his thizzle. Yes! This is Charlotte Black owned.